Hi students, welcome to our channel. இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா 11th standard காமர்ஸ்க்கு இந்த half yearly examination 2024 கான லாஸ்ட் மினிட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்க்க போறோம். இதை பார்க்கறதுக்கு முன்னால நீங்க இன்னும் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலைன்னா பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இந்த வீடியோக்கு மறக்காம ஒரு லைக் பண்ணிட்டு வாட்ஸ்அப் சேனல்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கிறங்க. இப்போ நான் உங்களுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் மீடியம் புக்கை வச்சு சொல்றேன். புக் பேக் கொஸ்டின்ல இதெல்லாம் முக்கியமானதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இதே கொஸ்டின் நம்பரை தமிழ் மீடியம் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸும் நோட் பண்ணிக்கிறங்க. சாப்டர் 1ல 2 மார்க்ல what is meant by barter system, what is meant by நாலங்காடி. 3 மார்க்ல explain the meaning of the term வணிகம், what are the ports developed by Pandya kingdom. 5 மார்க்ல what are the hindrances of commerce, briefly explain the coastal trade in ancient Tamil Nadu. Chapter 2ல 2 மார்க்ல what is meant by economic activities, what do you mean by employment. 3 மார்க்ல what do you mean by human activities, write short notes on business profession. 5 மார்க்ல compare business with profession and employment, discuss the objectives of business. Chapter 3ல 2 மார்க்ல define commerce, what is trade. 3 மார்க்ல what do you mean by tertiary industries. 5 மார்க்ல compare industry, commerce and trade. Chapter 4ல 2 mark questionல what is sole trading business, what are the corporate enterprises. 3 markல what is unlimited liability and 5 markல explain the characteristics of sole trading business, what are the advantages of sole trading business. Chapter 5ல 2 markல what is called karta, what is a sleeping partner, who is a sleeping partner, how many types of dissolution. 3 markல write any 3 features of HUF. 5 markல what are the contents of partnership deed, explain the types of dissolution of partnership firm. Then chapter 6ல 2 markல what are the different types of companies, what is meant by limited liability, what are the explain any 2 characteristics of company. 3 markல what is meant by foreign company. 5 markல what are the contents of memorandum of association, what are the contents of articles of association. Chapter 7ல 2 markல define cooperatives, who are recorded pioneers. 3 markல what are the disadvantages of cooperatives, write a note on housing cooperatives. 5 markல what are the principles of cooperatives, what are the types of cooperative society. Chapter 8ல 2 markல define multinational company, what is meant by oligopoly. 3 markல write any 3 Indian MNCs. 5 markல what are the advantages of MNCs and what are the disadvantages of MNCs. Chapter 9ல 2 markல give 2 examples of public corporation. 3 markல what is meant by departmental undertakings, what is meant by public corporations. 5 markல what are the advantages of departmental undertaking and what are the features of government company. Chapter 10ல 2 markல what are the functions of RBI, explain the origin of RBI. 3 markல what are the meaning of, write the meaning of bank and briefly explain about central bank. 5 mark questionல classify the various functions of Reserve Bank of India. Chapter 11ல 2 mark questionல give the meaning of commercial banks, what are foreign banks. 3 markல what are the objectives involved in regional rural banks. 5 markல explain the various types of banks based on the functions. Chapter 12ல 2 mark questionல 4 questionமே important ஆனதுதான். 3 markல what is e-banking, explain NEFT. 5 markல discuss the various primary functions performed by the commercial banks. Chapter 3ல 2 markல what is warehouse, give any 2 needs of warehouses, give a note on FCI. 3 markல explain cold storage warehouse. 5 markல explain the different types of warehouses. In chapter 14 2 markல write any 2 advantages of water transport. 3 markல what is bill of lading, what is charter party. 5 markல explain different types of transport. Chapter 15 2 markல what is health insurance, 3 markல write a note on IRDAI. 5 markல explain various types of insurance. Explain the principles of insurance. Chapter 16ல 2 markல who is a franchisee. Second question, state 2 disadvantages of franchising. What is meant by BPO? 3 markல what are the types of franchising? Long answerல enumerate the advantages of franchising. Elucidate the features of factoring. Chapter 17ல give the meaning of social power. 2 markல what is ethical responsibility? 3 markல what are the social responsibility of business towards owners? Long answerல explain the need for social responsibility. Chapter 18ல 2 markல what is ethics? Define corporate governance. 3 markல why MNCs in India? Long answerல explain the different key elements of business ethics. Chapter 19 2 mark write a short notes on debentures. Write any 2 examples of post office savings scheme. 3 markல what is pledge? 5 markல explain the kinds of sources of short term finance. Chapter 20 2 markல what is a depository receipt? What is a global depository receipt? 3 markல what is meant by foreign currency convertible bonds? 5 markல distinguish between GDR and ADR. Chapter 21 2 markல what is the aim of needs? What is a self-help groups? 3 markல list out the products produced by MSME in Tamil Nadu. Explain any 3 features of self-help group. Long answerல what are the objectives of SHGs? Chapter 22 2 markல give the meaning of trade. What is international trade? 3 markல explain the types of internal trade. 5 markல what are the features of internal trade? Explain briefly the different types of foreign trade. Chapter 23 2 markல define retailer. Who is a broker? Who are the mercantile agents? 5 markல what are the characteristics of retailers and what are the characteristics of wholesalers? Chapter 24 2 markல state the meaning of multiple shops. What is meant by vending machines? 3 markல explain the characteristics of supermarkets. 5 markல state the features of departmental stores. Chapter 25 2 markல what is meant by export trade? What is meant by import trade? What is meant by entrepot trade? 3 markல explain any 3 features of international business. 5 markல list out the advantages of international trade. Distinguish between internal and international trade. Chapter 26 2 markல what is meant by indent? What is meant by letter of credit? 3 markல what are the contents of intents? What is meant by mates receipt? What are the documents used in import trade? 5 markல distinguish between bill of lading and charter party. Chapter 27 2 mark what is WTO? What do you mean by World Bank? 3 markல mention the functions of SAARC. 5 markல write down the functions of IMF. Chapter 28ல 2 markல what do you mean by balance of payments? 3 markல what are the credit items shown in current accounts? State the components of capital account. 5 markல distinguish between balance of payment and balance of trade. Chapter 29 2 markல what is meant by contract? 3 markல what is meant by offer? What is meant by voidable contract? 5 markல differentiate between contract and agreement. Chapter 30 2 markல who is an agent? What is meant by reciprocal promise? 3 markல who can demand performance? 5 markல ரெண்டுமே இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கிடையாது. 31ல 2 markல what are the kinds of consent? 5 markல what is meant by damages and what are its types? Chapter 32 2 markல what is income tax? What is meant by previous year? 3 markல list out the 5 heads of income and write short notes on direct tax and indirect tax. The last chapter 33ல 2 markல what do you mean by indirect tax? What is CGST? 3 markல what are the objectives of GST? 5 markல distinguish between direct taxes and indirect taxes. Discuss the different kinds of GST. That's it. சரியா? ஸோ இதில் நம்ம சொல்லியிருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த 2 மார்க் 3 மார்க் 5 மார்க் கொஸ்டின் எல்லாமே நீங்கள் தரோவாக படிச்சிட்டிங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பாக 11th காமர்ஸில் அவுட் ஆஃப் 90க்கு 80 மார்க்ஸ்க்கு மேலே நீங்கள் ஸ்கோர் பண்ண முடியும். இந்த வீடியோ மறக்காமல் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ.